All right, so this is the entrance to the Wild Orchid resort here, Wild Orchid Beach Resort. If you haven't been here in a while and you know where this is at and you stayed here, you will notice that they have finally paved this road. This road coming in here was beat up. It was all dirt and potholes, and when it would rain it would wash out. But yeah, this is the entrance to the Wild Orchid Beach Resort. Take a little stroll. They got a guard here. Morning. Very nice resort. Actually, I think there's 3 Wild Orchid resorts. One here in Beloy Beach here, one up in Angeles City, and I think there might be one in Manila, somewhere in Manila. But here it is. Here's the parking lot. Big open parking lot here. Now, it doesn't sit right on the beach. Some of the rooms that they do have do sit out on the beach, but the main building doesn't sit on the beach. One point they had a little miniature golf course over here, like a little putt-putt, but that is all grown up. That was right over here. We'll check out the remains of it. It was probably nice when it was first open, but maintenance of it, they probably didn't upkeep on the maintenance. Plus, maybe people just didn't use it, so they just figured, we'll let it grow over. But this is where the miniature golf used to be, right in here. You can see some of the little miniature golf, little putt-putt places. I think it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Nice and sunny this morning. Warm and humid. Now this track, I was told it's a jogging track. We'll have to go up there and check it out. I know there used to be another pool inside this area here. Now, the woman told me that it's under renovation, so we're going to go check that out and see if it is under renovation. And then straight ahead there is the main resort. That is the main resort there. That is their slogan, Wild Orchid Beach Resort. Living the dream because you can. That's the entranceway. Pull in there and unload and load up. Now let's go over to the walking track over here. We'll check that out quick. And you have your designated smoking area. It's the walking track. Nobody's stopping me. Morning. Yeah, it's a shame. I was here before this was all cleaned up. Now they've let it go. But yes, used to be a swimming pool there. And we'll walk around. Show you the other swimming pool area. I don't think it's under construction. I just think they let it go. I think they just don't want to, I don't know. It's almost like they don't want to put the money back into the resort. Or business is just not that good. But this is the walking path. I guess when they don't want to fix things up or they don't want to put money into it, they say under renovation. Because it does not appear to be under renovation. To me, it just appears to be not in business anymore, out of stock. But yeah, that was the big pool right there. I actually swam in that, oh, probably 4 years ago when I was here. It's a shame. So, anyways, let's head inside the resort. Alright, so here is the main entrance to the resort here. I think it's pretty cool. Big open entrance area. They got those cool looking statues there. It's kept very nice, as you can see. There's some cool looking statues. Big main lobby area here. Here's where you check in. Sit here if you want. Wait for your room to get ready or check out. Got a souvenir shop. Nice and big, nice and open. Got a nice breeze come through here. There's your check-in desk. Oh, and they do have Mac machines here. I was running around yesterday looking for Mac machines and I couldn't, well, it took me a while to find them. Up in Mabalacat where we were at. Trying to find Mac machines up there and all the way down through here. Finally did find one. I got the Moby-Dick restaurant Tavern. It's closed right now, but it's a bar in there. You got pool table, big screen TVs, really nice. More sitting area. Coffee shop. I don't think the coffee shop's open. Dining area in here. Pool table, free to guests if you're staying here. Then you have the bar area here. Good morning. Morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
How are you?
Good. Morning. It's the kitchen area. And we'll go this way. Seating here. Seating by the pool. More seating. And then you have the swimming pool here. Step down here. Huge swimming pool. That's the reason we came here. Here's the swimming pool. Alright, so if you leave the lobby area, come around this way. This takes you to the Beloy Beach, and this will take you out to where their rooms that they consider beachside are. So we'll head out this way so I can show you that area. They do maintain the place. There's always somebody working, doing something here. Morning, wiping down banisters, buffing floors. They do keep it very nice. This brings you around to the back side of the pool. Here's the back side of the pool. Then you have security here. Morning. And this brings you over to the beachside rooms. They have another bar over here too. These are the beachside rooms. In the bar here. Oh, we gotta get out of here. Morning.
Morning, sir.
Yeah, these, you could sit here and eat too. Same restaurant's gonna send your food out. Yeah, these are the rooms right here. They do have room service, so if you want room service, they will deliver to your room. And then here's your view. There is your view. People swimming in the bay already this morning. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little walk around I did up here at the Wild Orchid Resort. Nice resort, decent prices for our room. I forget what we paid. I think 2 nights, it'd be like $130 US dollars, something like that. I booked it online. You could probably find better deals different times of the week, days of the week. They probably have different deals. But anyways, it's a nice hotel. The areas that the people are occupying, they keep very nice. Other areas, they've kind of let go downhill. The guy was telling me the reason the pool area, the one pool area is closed is because a root grew into the tree, or a root grew into the pool itself and cracked it, so it's draining. But that's what I was told. Anyways, like I said, it's a nice place. It's a nice resort. Is it the nicest in the area? I don't know. Is it the worst, place in the area? No, it's not. Anyways, if you're down here in Beloy Beach and you're looking for a nice place with a decent price, I would definitely check out the Wild Orchid Resort here.